Dear students, today we will discuss about the geometry of molecules involving sigma and pi bond. First, we will discuss about the hybridization of carbon in C2H6. We know that atomic number of carbon is 6, electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Now, what happened? In last cell, 2 electrons present in s orbital and in 2p orbital 2 electrons present. This one is the ground state, and in excited state 1 electron jump from 2s to 2p. This one is the excited state, and in this way 1 orbital of 2s and 3 orbital of 2p intermix together, and it shows sp3 type of hybridization. In this way 4 hybrid orbitals are formed, and in 4 hybrid orbitals, with each hybrid orbital of carbon 3 hydrogen atom overlap like this. This was the 4 hybrid orbital 1, 2, 3, 4. With 3 hybrid orbital of carbon, with each 3 hybrid orbital of carbon, 3 hydrogen atom overlap, means one has orbital of 3 hydrogen atom overlap like this. This H, and this H. Similarly, for another carbon atom have also 4 hybrid orbital, each orbital overlap like this. This was the 4 hybrid orbital. This hybrid orbital of carbon overlap with this hybrid orbital of carbon and form sigma bond, and other 3 hybrid orbital overlap with hydrogen. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sigma bond will form. Like this. Structure of C2H6 is, structural formula of C2H6 is like this: C, H, 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 and H. This one is the C2H6. Similarly, if C2H4 is taken, then what happens? If C2H4 is taken, ethene, if C2H4 ethene is taken, then what happens? Each carbon have a 6 electron, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Each carbon have a 6 electron, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Now in ground state, electronic configuration is like this: 1, 2. This one is the ground state. But in excited state, what happens? 1 electron jump from this orbital to this orbital, 1, 2, 3. Now here 2 p orbital and 1 s orbital intermix together to show sp2 hybridization. 3 hybrid orbital will form and 1 unhybridized orbital is present, in which 1 unpaired electron is present. Now 3 hybrid orbitals are like this one. This one is the unhybridized orbital. Sorry. This one is the unhybridized orbital. 1, 2, 3. This one is unhybridized orbital. This one is the hybridized. This one is the hybridized. And one more hybridized orbital present here. Similarly, in another carbon atom, this one is the unhybridized. This one is the hybridized orbital. This one is the hybridized orbital. Now, in this way, in 3 hybrid orbital of each carbon, 1 hybrid orbital of each carbon overlap together, and with 2 hybrid orbital of each carbon, 2 hydrogen atom overlap. Like this. 1H, 1H, 1S1, 1S1. Here also H and H. 1S1, 1S1. This one is lateral overlapping. This one is the sidewise overlapping, lateral overlapping, in which pi bond is formed. In this way, in between carbon-carbon double bond is present. C double bond C, H, 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 H. 1 sigma, 1 pi, here sigma, here sigma, here sigma, and here sigma. So, sidewise overlapping on unhybridized orbital form pi bond, and end-to-end overlapping of hybrid orbital of each carbon atom form sigma bond. This one is the structural formula of C2H4 ethene. In similar way, and in this way, in each carbon sp2 hybridization takes place. In ethene, each carbon have a sp2 type of hybridization. Each carbon have a sp2 type of hybridization. Now we will discuss about the hybridization in carbon of ethyne. Ethyne C2H2 CH or HC triple bond CH. Ethyne. Each carbon have a 6 atomic number, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Now, in ground state, this one, and in excited state, in ground state, 2s have a 2 electron and 2p have a 2 electron. This one is the ground state, and in excited state, what happens? 1 electron jump from 2s, 1, 1, 1. Now here, one orbital of 2s and 1 orbital of p intermix together to show sp type of hybridization. And here 2 hybrid orbital is formed. 2 hybrid orbital is formed like this, This one is one unhybridized orbital and this one is another unhybridized orbital. Similarly, in another carbon of C2H2, this one is the unhybridized, this one is the hybridized orbital, this one is also hybridized orbital, and this one is unhybridized orbital. This one is also unhybridized orbital, and lateral overlapping or sidewise overlapping pi bond is formed like this. This one is the pi bond and this one is the pi bond. This one is sigma bond, which formed due to end-to-end overlapping of hybrid orbital of each carbon atom, and with one hybrid orbital of each carbon overlap to each other, and one hybridized orbital of each carbon overlap with 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. 1s1, here also hydrogen 1. In this way, in between carbon-carbon triple bond will form. 1 sigma and 2 pi. This one is triple bond. 2 pi, 1 sigma, and 1 hydrogen connected with each carbon. And each carbon is sp hybridized. Each carbon is sp hybridized. So this was the formation of ethyl acetylene. Similarly, if you want to calculate hybridization on central atom of cation and anion, then what happens? Prediction of hybridization. Prediction of hybridization. Hybridization in cation and anion. Cation and anion. Now, if carbonate is taken, CO3 2 minus is taken, then with help of formula H is equal to 1 by 2 V plus M minus C plus A. What happened? 1 by 2. Number of valence electron is 4. Number of monovalent is 0. Charge on cation is also 0. And charge of anion is minus 2. Then what happened? 1 by 2, 4. Charge of anion is 2. So 1 by 2 into 6, 3. And in this way, each carbon show 3 hybrid orbitals will form sp2 hybridization. Each carbon show sp2 type of hybridization. In carbonate CO3 2 minus, each carbon show sp2 type of hybridization. Similarly, if ammonium ion is taken, NH4 plus is taken, then what happens? If ammonium ion is taken, then what happens? If ammonium ion is taken, if NH4 plus is taken, then what happens? NH4 plus, ammonium ion. If ammonium ion is taken, then what happens? You know that in nitrogen H is equal to, we know that H is equal to 1 by 2. V plus M minus C plus A. What happened? 1 by 2. Number of valence electron is 5. Monovalent is 4. Charge on cation is 1 and 0. 1 by 2, 8. 5, 4, 9, 8. 4. So 4, and this one is the sp3 type of hybridization. sp3 type of hybridization. 4 hybrid orbital will form, and in 4 hybrid orbital 1s and 3 p orbital intermix to form sp3 type of hybridization, and it's 4 plus. In ammonium ion, nitrogen have a sp3 type of hybridization. And I have already told to you, if any compound if in any compound central atom have a lone pair electron, then With help of counting charge cloud, we can find out type of hybridization. For example, if H2 is taken, in H2 oxygen have a 2 lone pair electron. If you want to calculate hybridization of oxygen in H2, then what happen? Total charge cloud. Total charge cloud. In total charge cloud, oxygen connected with 2 hydrogen atom. Total charge cloud is equal to the number of sigma bond sigma. So 2 sigma plus 2 lone. 2 lone. Here 4. So this one is the sp3. 4 hybrid orbital will form. So in oxygen of water molecule, sp3 hybridization takes place. sp3 hybridization takes place. With help of total charge cloud, we can calculate type of hybridization. Now we will discuss about molecular orbital theory (MO2), which was proposed by Hunds and Molliker. It is very important topic which provide shape or geometry of molecule, and with help of this geometry, this theory, we will also discuss about the electronic configuration of various molecules. Now we will discuss about the molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory, MOP. It is known as a MOP, which was proposed by Hunds and Mulliken. Hunds and Mulliken, which was proposed by Hunds and Mulliken, a name of scientist. Hunds and Mulliken, a name of scientist. In this theory, first we will discuss about the molecular orbital. Molecular orbital has a polycentric nuclei. When atomic orbitals overlap to each other, then they form polycentric molecular orbital. So molecular orbital is polycentric nuclei. Molecular orbital have a polycentric nuclei. We know that electron behave like a wave, and orbital behave like a amplitude function, or with help of amplitude function we can explain about the nature of wave. Amplitude function represented with help of psi. To represent orbital, we need to use amplitude function psi. are wave function, amplitude function are wave function psi. When atomic orbitals are present in a same phase, means constructive interference, then bonding molecular orbital will form. Means if two atomic orbitals are present like psi a and psi b, this one is atomic orbital a and this one is atomic orbital b, then due to constructive interference due to constructive interference, bonding molecular orbital will form with help of linear combination of atomic orbital, that is known as a LCAO. It is a linear combination of atomic orbital which give rise to molecular orbital. Psi is equal to psi a plus psi b, bonding molecular orbital, bonding amorphs molecular orbital. And if destructive interference takes place, so then psi is equal to psi a minus psi b, Here anti-bonding molecular orbital will form. Here anti-bonding molecular orbital will form. So this one is the constructive interference, bonding, and destructive interference, anti-bonding. In constructive interference, wave function are present in same phase like this, wave function are present in same phase, psi a and this one is the psi. But in destructive interference, what happens? In destructive interference, this phase and this one is phase. Psi a and this one is the psi b. And in this way, psi is equal to psi a minus psi b. Psi a is equal to psi a minus psi b. This one is destructive interference. And in this way, two type of molecular orbital will form. One is bonding and second one is the anti-bonding. With help of LCAO, that is known as a linear combination of atomic orbital. Linear combination of atomic orbital. Linear combination of atomic orbital.